Hello, by request, Mrs. Leah from Java. Welcome my dear sister and brother. Please join me. Always you happy. God bless you. God bless you too. Hi. Come on, brother. I can't stay now and just wait how my hands they grow so impatient. Many things I've got to do now. For the first rays of the morning, to see dreams in peaceful slumber slip to me, just doesn't come. When she wakes, I try to tell her everything I have to say. And the night so dark inside me makes me finally understand with the love that she has given me. Second like the sky forever is the way she gives so proudly, is the way she takes my hands. I'll just ask the sunshine brightly, got to see her smile again. I sing a song I've written, it all make the whole world listen, and the silence just for you, like no one has ever heard. And I'll wake up all the lovers, and I'll keep them there for hours, and we'll do the things we wanted, the way that lovers do. Then we'll run into the street, and we'll start to look like crazy, 'cause she won't only just be those in the love she gives and needs. And we'll take this time to stop course, and we'll paint the street and buildings rainbow color. Everyone talks, she wants to color the sea. And we'll place through fellow flowers where the street of life with springs, make a place where lovers go, play the way that lovers flow. And we'll play into the sky, and we'll cross into the star, and all stars will tell the whole world the love we have, the love we share is sweet, the love we know is real, that love is not a dream, but lasts a lifetime long, because you love and may give, without living or begin, and the love that you have given reason to us the way. As your love for me is not beginning and the end, you love and mine is now for me forever. Na 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 na. You love for me forever. Thank you. Welcome, brother.